Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Just a quick one because Chainlink has now reached my target area. Finally, it was one of the later ones to reach my target areas. VeChain, for example, has already been there. Some others have already been there. Chainlink did not yet. It was hard to remain bearish here in this whole period when we moved all the way up to $27 again. But it has lost that trend line that was expected. We lost everything here, retested the trend line, and are finally heading down, and we are staying still in this descending wedge. And the last video I talked about how the price could stay in this descending wedge while still reach the target area. You can see it down here, how it overlaps. This is the target area sitting between, I would say, $6 and $11.50. And it's been a long way. We talked about this target area since the end of November, I think, and lost since then all support levels and have been slowly moving towards the target area. I know back then it was very hard to imagine when we had a price of, I don't know where we were, here probably around the mid-20s, to get down to this level of around $11, $11.50 or even $6, which is actually still my primary expectation now. I mean, not still, but looking at what the price is doing, where the Chainlink price is now, what I do expect for Bitcoin, my view would be that we're going to get to this $6 level. That's the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. Unless the price is doing now a strong reaction to this $11.50 level, the 78.6% Fib level, but I can't see anything now. Looking rather impulsive how the price is coming down here. And I remember back then, I always remember back, I mean, I'm not someone who tries to show you old comments, but I know a lot of people wrote back then were hateful comments. I mean, hateful, not that bad, but you know, people just laughing at these price projections. And it's just important to understand that it's so important to understand that nothing is impossible, that you have numerous examples in different financial markets about, or in different markets about prices dropping that much. Just look at the PayPal. Just look at the PayPal stock at the moment. It's also going to come down to its 78.6% Fib level. And when the PayPal stock was around $250, people would have said, no, you're never going to get down to $100. You're never going to get down to $65. So also that is an opportunity in my view, but that's about stocks and shares, not about crypto. But you get these because it's an early stock. This here is an early asset as well, Chainlink, and they have to do these corrections. This would have happened irrespective of any news in the world. What is happening at the moment in the world is only a catalyst for what is happening. Might make it faster happen, which is good from a chart point of view because it speeds up the correction. It will allow the price to finish it earlier, and I expect in this target area a turnaround. That is my primary expectation at the moment, and I'm glad to see we've actually reached it. I mean, you know, maybe a few cents are still missing, but let's see. A few cents are still missing to reach it, but I wouldn't, I would still count it. We've moved down to $11.54, and the target area is at $11.40. But in the end, how accurate was I with drawing these? So no, it's all good. We've seen the target area. I would expect lower prices, but because the indicators are so much oversold, I mean, look at the RSI on the 8-hour chart. It is oversold. It's actually below 30. So you can expect now a little bit of a recovery in my view here on the daily as well. Already below 30. The 4-day chart, there is still room for further downside. So the chart or the price can drop further. You can even see it here on the weekly chart as well. On the RSI, it's only at 36, so it can drop further, but even there, downside potential is now limited, but it can drop further. But the shorter term or the shorter time frame indicators now need to recover a bit. So what I could imagine is that we're going to retest the resistance line up here again at $13.50 or $13.40. That is the wave A low back from July 21. That is where the price needs to go to, at least in this correction, and it did reach it, and it did even break it, as we said in the last few videos. So hopefully you liked the update, only a brief one about Chainlink. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more content about all sorts of different cryptos, get access to the Telegram channel, Discord server, and the weekly live stream, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.